Let's start in the front edge of our mat in mountain pose called Tadasana. Start feeling the connection of your feet with the ground. Pull the crown of your head high up. Feel the energy flowing from the floor all the way up through your body. Start focusing on your breath. Perhaps you want to start with Ujjayi breathing and perhaps set an intention to today's practice. Inhale, reach your arms up. And with exhalation, we'll go to forward fold. Strong legs. Pushing the belly towards the thighs. We can grab opposite elbows and swing from side to side to loosen up a little bit. Great. Inhale, halfway up, straight back. Exhale, jump to Chaturanga Dandasana. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. Here I want you to first bend your knees and adjust your back so they are straight. Your shoulder blades are nice and wide. And after that, you can start stretching one leg after another. Alright, let's stretch both legs to full downward facing dog. Focus on your breathing. Inhale, lift your right leg up and put it between your palms. Activate your legs to help your balance and lift up. Inhale, rise your arms up. Try to open your shoulders nicely, but don't put them close to the ears. Put your arms to L shape. Inhale up, exhale down. Inhale up, exhale down. Strong legs up and down. Keep your balance. Last one. Inhale and back down, palms on the floor. Rise your right arm up. Breathe. And now we'll do circles with the right arm. So inhale forward, exhale backwards. Inhale forward, exhale backwards. 2 more times like this. And put your palm back on the floor from the inside of the right thigh. Open your back foot and rise your left arm up. Look towards the sky if you want to, and breathe. Great. Put your palm back on the floor, rotate your foot, Chaturanga Dandasana. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. Let's stay here a few breaths. And now we'll go on the other side. So inhale, left leg up. Exhale, put it between the palms. Activate your legs and slowly rise up. Inhale, reach your arms up, nice and strong. The whole body, the core and the legs is strong. Great. Put your arms to the L shape again. And we'll go inhale up, exhale down. Inhale up, exhale down. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. One last time. And put your palms back on the floor. Rise your left arm up. Breathe and hold. Great, we'll do circles again. So with inhalation forward, exhale backwards. Inhale forward, exhale backwards. Inhale, exhale. Breathe in, breathe out. One last round. And put your palm back on the floor from the inside part of your thigh. Open your back leg and rise your right arm to the sky. Try to open your chest, your shoulder, and breathe. Great job, everyone. Let's go back to Chaturanga Dandasana. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. Again, we can walk out the feet if we need to, otherwise let's get stable and breathe here. Now with inhalation, we'll go forward to plank. Exhale, back to downward dog. Inhale forward, exhale, back to downward dog. Let's keep on going. Have strong core and try to do slow movements. Look forward, jump or step between your palms. Inhale, halfway up, strong and straight spine. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, rise your arms up. Exhale, palms to your chest. Great job. Let's do another round. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, halfway up. Exhale, jump to Chaturanga. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. Great, let's move to plank. And now let's stay on one arm only and we'll move to side plank. We want to push our hips high up, have strong core. And if you can manage, we'll be lifting our leg up. 1, 2, 3, 4, and back to plank. And now on the other side. Hold, strong, lift your hips up. 1, 2, 3, 4, and palm back to the plank. Exhale, Chaturanga. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. Inhale, right leg up, put it between the palms and open the left foot and windmill your arms to Warrior 2. Open your hips nicely. Exhale, Peaceful Warrior. Breathe into the stretch. Hold a little bit. And now we transfer to side angle pose. Don't let the top arm fall down. Great. One more time. Peaceful Warrior. Open the chest. And to the other side, side angle. Great. Back to Chaturanga Dandasana with exhalation. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, downward dog, Adho Mukha Svanasana. Great job. Inhale, rise left leg up, put it between the palms, open the back foot, windmill your arms to Warrior 2. Open your hips nicely to the longer side of your mat. Look forward. And now transfer to Peaceful Warrior. rotate to side angle. One more time, back to peaceful warrior. And to side angle. Great job. Let's put our palms back on the floor. Exhale, Chaturanga Dandasana. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. Great job. Let's breathe it out here a little bit. Look forward, step or jump between your palms. Inhale, halfway up. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, rise arm up to the sky. Exhale, palms to the chest. I hope you enjoyed this class. Even though it was very short, it's great you did something for your body today. And I hope I'll see you next time on my channel.